Hello everybody and welcome back. Today what we're going to do is we're going to get the full path and we're going to delete a file on the desktop, a Docx Microsoft document. So first of all I'm going to import OS and I'm going to create a function called desktop. Okay. And then this is going to be desktop path is equal to os.path.join. And then that's going to be os.path.expand user. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to do the match. And that's going to be the desktop. Whoops. There we go, so it's going to find the file path to the desktop. Okay, now we're going to loop through it. So for file name in os.list directory, this is going to be desktop path. If file name dot ends with, and this is going to be Docx. So I've created a Docx file on there, a Microsoft Word document on there. Then file path is equal to os.path.join. It's going to be desktop path file name, and then we're going to remove it, so os.remove file path. Okay. And then all we have to do is call the program desktop. Okay. And save it. Okay, let's just down here a little bit. Oops, a few windows open there. So this is the file here that I want to get rid of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this. Hopefully there'll be no errors in it. So okay, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. It's disappeared. So that was a Docx file that we just deleted, a Word file. So I hope you liked that, and if you did, remember, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.